Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the past perfect continuous tense. It is also like past perfect tense, but there is a little bit difference between the past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. First of all, look at the examples I have given here. She had been reading a novel. She had been reading a novel when I went to meet her. Second one, we had been playing before the teacher came. We had been playing before the teacher came. Third one, it was 10 a.m. and John was tired as he had been working since dawn. And here was. Now fourth one, at that time Mr. Roy had been teaching there for 10 years. Mr. Roy had been teaching there for 10 years. In all these four examples, two actions are there just like past perfect tense. But in past perfect tense, both the actions are completed actions of the past. But here, one action was going on or continuing, not completed, and another completed. The action that was going on before another action, that action generally takes the past perfect continuous tense form. And the second action that took place later, it takes the simple past tense form just like past perfect tense. That's why look here, she had been reading a novel when I went to meet her. That's why she had been reading a novel, it is past perfect continuous tense. And when I went to meet her, went, it is simple past tense. Similarly, we had been playing before the teacher came. We had been playing, this is the first action and it was going on, continuing before another action. That's why not completed, it was going on. That's why it is past perfect continuous tense. And the second action, the teacher came, it is simple past tense. Simple past tense and it is past perfect continuous tense. Similarly, third one also, it was 10 a.m. and John was tired. Both are simple past tense because they are second action and completed. As he had been working since dawn. As he had been working, it is past perfect continuous tense because it was going on, not completed. Similarly, fourth one, at that time Mr. Roy had been teaching there for 10 years. Had been teaching, this action was going on up to that time in the past. It is also past perfect continuous tense. And here second action is not mentioned. If the two actions are directly mentioned, then the first action or the first event that was going on or happening before another action, it takes the past perfect continuous tense form. And the second action, if it is mentioned, then it takes the simple past tense form. That means, as definition we can say, past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that started before a certain point in the past. For an action that started or began for a certain point, that began before a certain point in the past, just like this, and continued or going on, went on up to that time. That means not completed action. This is the definition of past perfect continuous tense. And also note the sentence structure of past perfect continuous tense: subject plus had plus been. Subject plus had, that means past form of have verb, thereafter been, that means third form MV3 of be verb, plus MV ing, that means main verb with ing or present participle form, plus object or others or simple past, etc. This is the sentence structure of past perfect continuous tense. In short, we can say that past perfect continuous tense indicates an action that was going on for some time, that was going on before another action, that was going on or not completed, that was happening before another action. Okay.